morning, respected judges. I am Arnani Patil from Modern School. Let me start with a question. What happens when nature's beauty turns into nature's enemy? Every day, the invasive water hyacinth spreads uncontrollably, blocking sunlight, depleting oxygen, and threatening aquatic life. Millions of fish die, local livelihoods suffer, and water bodies become choked with this relentless green invader. Introducing Aquapack, a project that flips the environment challenge into an opportunity. Instead of seeing water hyacinth as a waste, Aquapack transforms it into eco-friendly, biodegradable, compostable packaging materials such as bags, trays, wrappers, and containers that can replace plastic and thermocol in everyday use. Water hyacinth is one of the world's most invasive aquatic plants. In India alone, it infests over 200,000 hectares of water bodies, doubling its biomass every 7 to 12 days, blocking sunlight, depleting oxygen, and harming aquatic biodiversity. Despite containing 20 to 35% cellulose, they remove biomass is usually discarded. Representing a huge environmental and economic loss, the question we asked ourselves was clear. How can we turn this harmful weed into a valuable, sustainable resource while restoring the ecosystem it threatened? Aquapack addresses this problem by converting water hyacinth into a biodegradable and compostable packaging. The process is simple yet powerful. How harvest the plant, grind it into a fibers, mix with a natural blender made of cornstarch, glycerin, vinegar, and water and natural oils. Mold it into desired shape and dry it into a strong eco-friendly sheets. These sheets can then be used as a packaging material, completely free from harmful chemicals. This approach not only reduces plastic waste but also restores water ecosystem by removing invasive weeds and giving them a new purpose. The impact of Aquapack is threefold. Environmentally, removes invasive water hyacinth, restores aquatic ecosystem and reduces reliance on plastic. Economically, creates jobs in rural areas, promotes entrepreneurship and reduces costs associated with weed removal. Socially, supports fishing communities, improves water quality and fosters sustainable livelihood. The market for biodegradable packaging is growing rapidly in India as a business and consumers shift towards eco-friendly alternatives. Aquapack has a potential to serve multiple sectors from e-commerce and food packaging to small-scale manufacture. Looking ahead, our vision is to make the India is self-reliant in sustainable packaging while ensuring that water bodies are free from invasive weeds and the local ecosystem thrive without plastic. Aquapack aims to create a circular ecosystem where waste turns into wealth and environment responsibility become an everyday practice. So judges, the choice is clear. We can continue to let invasive weeds and plastic fill our water and landfill or we can transform them into sustainable resources that protect ecosystem and support communities. With the Aquapack, a greener, cleaner and more sustainable India is possible. Let's turn challenge into opportunity and weed into wealth. Thank you.